Y'all seen this video before? Why are you laughing? When have I laughed? I haven't laughed once. When did I laugh?
Cash crew, it's Kashmere back with another video. What is up, y'all? Y'all already see by the title of this video what this video is gonna be about, and it's on period. What is up, y'all? I have this fufu. I'm so nervous. I got this fufu, y'all. I'll show them.
It's not focus. It's not focusing. There you go.
What the fuck is a fufu? Maybe I need to try some fufu. You sucking them toes.
Ooh. And then I have the stuff. We're not gonna move this because it's real messy. But
okay, bro.
With this fufu, I have the egusi sauce. The egusi.
Draco, why did you send me this, bro? Janix, you're white. Just shut the fuck up.
Soup with goat meat, and I got chicken in here. And yeah, I'm just alright. Okay, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if it's the goat meat. If it's the goat meat, huh?
Ah,
It's hair. It's hair where? Don't start that.
see, the thing is, like, how it would be impossible to keep your feet completely clean, bro, because you would have to walk to get to the table. And what if, like, your feet touch the ground? Slippers.
Don't start that making me nervous. Girl, get out the way. Okay, so.
Not gonna lie, this
Okay,
flexibility,
so let me
though.
get some piece of little fufu. But it's gonna make my feet dirty. I'm not gonna let. Y'all, it don't smell delightful. But
God.
okay. Oh,
God.
let me say my grace. Let me say my grace. God is great. God is good. Let us make you prosper. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Thank the Lord God for this food. Yeah.
Hold on. God. Yo, Cam.
Oh, it's spicy. It's real spicy. Hold on.
Oh my gosh, I just
They
yo.
say to chew it. They don't supposed to just swallow it. Yeah, she gonna choke.
Wait, so what the fuck is fufu, bro? What the fuck is fufu? She could fuck around and see your asshole while fucking. African food? African eats? OMG, I just peeped. She got no hands. Nigerian eats. Fufu is African food. You wouldn't know about that. Wait, she don't got hands. Oh, she sliding. What are you talking about, bro? She probably give immaculate foot jobs. What are you talking
I just
about,
gonna
bro?
swallow it.
No,
It's real spicy, y'all. Hold on, let's think.
I might need to try me some fufu.
Is this the goat meat or what? I don't know.
Bro, Draco, why did you send this, bro? Is their channel all mukbangs, bro? What? I feel like you sent me this for like a reason, bro. Why did you send me this?